Xiaomi KY102 MAX Drone, 10 km range, dual cameras, and screen control for ultimate aerial exploration. The Xiaomi KY102 MAX Drone is a high-performance quadcopter designed for capturing stunning aerial footage and exploring vast distances. Equipped with dual HD cameras, a screen-controlled remote, brushless motors, and intelligent obstacle avoidance, the KY102 MAX offers an unparalleled flight experience. Key features: 10,000-meter flight altitude and 5,000-meter control distance. Explore expansive landscapes and capture breathtaking aerial views with an impressive 10,000-meter flight altitude and a 5,000-meter remote control distance. Real-time image transmission screen remote control. Experience a seamless FPV, first-person view, experience with the integrated screen on the remote control, providing real-time image transmission for precise control and monitoring. Dual HD camera system. Capture diverse perspectives with the dual camera setup, offering horizontal, vertical, and overhead shooting options. Brushless motors. Enjoy powerful and efficient flight performance with the durable and long-lasting brushless motors. Intelligent obstacle avoidance. Fly with confidence knowing that the drone is equipped with all-sided infrared obstacle avoidance, minimizing the risk of collisions. Optical flow positioning. Achieve stable hovering and precise positioning, even indoors or in GPS-denied environments. Electric lens adjustment. Remotely adjust the camera lens for optimal framing and composition. Storage-type remote control. Conveniently store the remote control and accessories. Air pressure altitude hold. Maintain a stable altitude for smooth and steady footage. Gravity sensing and trajectory flight. Control the drone with intuitive gravity sensing or plan custom flight paths by drawing on your smartphone screen. 2.4G signal. Enjoy a stable and reliable connection with the 2.4G signal. One key takeoff and landing. Simplify flight operations with automated takeoff and landing. Speed switch. Adjust the drone speed to match your flying style and environment. Mobile control. Control the drone using your smartphone for added convenience. Special rolling effect. Add dynamic movements to your videos with the special rolling effect. Specifications. Model, KY102 MAX. Material, ABS. Color, black. Aircraft battery, 3.7V 1800 mAh lithium battery. Remote control battery, charging 18650, 1200 mAh. Charging time, approximately 40 minutes. Flight time, approximately 30 minutes. Remote control distance, approximately 5,000 meters. Flight altitude, approximately 10,000 meters. Flight environment, indoor, outdoor. Benefits. Capture stunning aerial footage with dual HD cameras. Fly with confidence with intelligent obstacle avoidance. Enjoy a long flight range and altitude. Experience real-time viewing on the screen-controlled remote. Utilize intelligent flight modes for creative shots. Easily control the drone with gravity sensing or trajectory flight. Overall, the Xiaomi KY102 MAX Drone is a feature-rich and powerful quadcopter that delivers an exceptional aerial exploration and photography experience. Its long-range capabilities, dual cameras, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and screen-controlled remote make it a great choice for capturing stunning aerials.